Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Arbor account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.arbor.us and press enter. You'll end up in the official webpage of Arbor. To log into your account, you'll need a username and password. Type in your username associated with your account in the first text box and on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Finally, click the Login button to get access to your Arbor account. That is how you'll be able to log into your Arbor account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.